U.S. futures are seesawing this morning. The major equity averages are now eyeing new record highs. Overseas, the ECB kept rates unchanged and extended its QE program until December 2017. It expanded its program to exceed 2.2 trillion euros by the end of next year. Also, the central bank will buy at a reduced monthly pace. It plans to reduce purchases to 60 billion euros per month, and that is with the caveat that it can step up or prolong purchases if needed. And on Wednesday, U.S. indices pushed sharply higher. The Dow and S&P 500 hit new all-time highs, led by shares in the automobiles and components, transportation, and telecommunications sectors. On the economic data front, MBA mortgage applications fell 0.7% in the week ended December 2nd from a decline of 9.4% in the previous week. As for your advancers and decliners, 86% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Moving on to the after-hours market, Costco Wholesale announced first quarter diluted EPS of $1.24 versus $1.09 a year ago on revenue of $28.1 billion from $27.2 billion in the previous year. And H&R Block unveiled second quarter EPS of 67 cents versus 54 cents last year on revenues of $131 million from $128 million a year earlier. And last but not least, Lululemon Athletica reported third quarter adjusted EPS of 47 cents on net revenue of $544 million. Net income improved 28.5% year over year to $68 million. Meanwhile, comparable sales rose by 7%. And in today's earnings releases, we will be getting quarterly results out from Broadcom as well as the Cooper companies. And for your economic data in the U.S. today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be getting initial jobless claims as well as continuing claims. And at 10 a.m., the quarterly services survey will be released. The Census Bureau's quarterly services survey focuses on information as well as technology-related service industries. As for your overseas markets, Asian markets were mostly higher today. The Nikkei gaining nearly 1.5%, the Hang Seng up 0.25%, and South Korea's Kospi gaining nearly 2%. And for the U.S. equity markets, the S&P 500 is in the spotlight. On an intraday basis, a further upside is expected for that average. Trading central analysts prefer long positions above 22.26, with targets standing at 22.46 and 22.58 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, the bullish bias stands above the 48.26 level, and for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the upside prevails.